Chris Young. Behind the camera we have Dave Leneff, and we're with Anritsu. And today we're in front of our M6 large metal detector. What we're going to try and show you is the belt removal and cleaning capability of this system. So first off, real quick, this is an IP66 or washdown version, and very easy to remove the belt without tools. So what we'll see first is this is a pivoting end roller. So I'm going to release it, pulling the pin. Right, then it actually snapped back in, so now it's being held in the up position. And what we see here on the decking is that we have 3 different plates. So I'll pull the first one out. Just held in on pins, and it'll come right out the side. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and pull the other 2 off, and we'll continue on from there. So I pulled out the 3 plates for the decking, and now what we see is the end roller here is pretty much free. So I can simply lift that out. Then I can pull the belt through the system. Now I've walked around to the other side here, and now we're on the drive side. So I can just pull a little bit of the belt over, and then now I have access to the drive roller. But before I take it out, there is a pinch guard here on the belting, and it's just a simple thumb screw. So that comes out. Now we can see the drive belt, but now I'll be able to slide this shaft out just like the other side. So we just put that down, and now I have the belting here. I can simply take the belts off, and then as well I have access to the drive rollers or the idler rollers, which can come right out of the unit. And you can clean those as well, but then you can see you have access to the frame and the inside of the aperture. And that can all be done in just a couple minutes. Now, the installation is a little bit different, and there's just one trick here on putting the drive belt back on, so we'll show you that, and I'll get it all set up to that point. So we're back. So now I'm just putting the shaft back in, and I'm going to wrap it around the drive belt. Right, and then you see there's a little lip to it that goes into the slot. And on the other side, the white bushing fits in the slot as well. Now the last step here is we need to put tension on the belt. And that's kind of nice because there's a handle right here, and it's pinned. So I release that in the very beginning. And now when I'm ready, I'll just pull the pin out, push against it until it snaps into place. And that is done. All right, so we're back. So we put in the 3 decking pieces again, and now we're gonna put the idler roller in. You can see the shaft here has a slot on it, and that's gonna fit into the one side, and then the white bushing is gonna fit into the other side. So we'll just slide that through, rotate it so it aligns. Okay, so now that we have the idler roller or the tail roller back in, last thing to do is to release this pin. And we'll go ahead and set it into place. Okay. And now it is all back and assembled again. You can simply go out, hit stop, and off you go. Thank you for learning about the belt removal. If you'd like to see some of our technology, we do have them on our demo vans. We have a combination unit, which is our M6 metal detector and SSV checkware, as well as an XR75 X-ray. Look forward to showing you our equipment soon. Thanks again.